Okay, everyone, look at what we have. Finally coming to fruition, the bird feeding station. That came in today. It is so impressive. A 6x6. It's taller than I had anticipated. They did not have the 10-foot 6x6s, so we are having a 12-foot. Wow, it looks so nice. And so over the next few days, I'm going to work on my bird feeders. I've got a couple of copper bird baths that are going to go along. Oh, so exciting. So exciting. Here you see one of the bird feeders. Well, there's a couple really. This one's not looking so great, but I love this orange yellow. Very nice, very nice. Too fast with the panning, I apologize for that. But there you go. Bird feeding station. I'm going to show you the view from where we usually sit in the summer. Here's one spot. So you can see how it's going to make a great impact in the landscape. Very much like a structure. The height, the weight. You can see the 4x4 pole beside it to the left. Wow, incredible. So we'll start with filling it up. Bird feeding station. And our gorgeous pond. New glass came today from Etsy. Not from the same manufacturer as these pieces we have here, but a different one that I'm trying out of Oregon. I don't know, I think they may go in the front yard. We shall see. Another step toward more peaceful.